Welcome to my last session of Boolean Algebra. I am Shweta, Vidhyaashram College, Mysore. In my last session, I have discussed min-term, max-term and canonical form. In today's session, I will be discussing K-map. Very important question for 5 marks. You can expect this K-map into your examination. So what is K-map? K-map is called as Karnaugh map. K-map is a pictorial representation of a truth table made up of squares. K-map is a pictorial representation to solve Boolean expression. Is a graphical method which consists of 2 power n cells for n variables. 2 power n cells for n variables. And the map method was first proposed by E.W. Veitch in 1952, known as Veitch diagram. In your syllabus, you have 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K-maps. Let us discuss about the K-maps for 2 variable, 4 variables one by one. How to construct the K-map and what are the steps to solve expression using K-map. First step, select K-map according to the number of variables. Example, if you have 2 variables, that means x and y, you can use only x and y variables. If you have 3 variables, x, y, z, you should use 3 variables called x, y, z. If you have 4 variables called a, b, c, d, you need to use only a, b, c, d. First, you have to check the number of variables and identify min terms or max terms as given in problem. And next step, for SOP, put 1 in blocks. For SOP, SOP stands for sum of product. For SOP, put 1 in box. For sum of products, put 1s in blocks of K-maps respective to the min term. For pause, put 0s in blocks of K-map respective to the max terms. And make rectangular groups containing total terms in power of 2. Power of 2 means you should use 2 power n formula. If you have 2 variables, that means 2 power 2, you will get 4 squares. If you have 3 variables, 2 power 3, it is 8 cells. Like that, make rectangular groups containing total terms in power of 2, 4 and 8 and try to cover as many elements as you can in one group. So these are the steps you have to use for constructing the K-map. So what are the rules we have to follow? So first rule is groups may not include any cell containing a 0. You can observe this. Here we have 0 and 1. So the groups may not include any cell containing a 0. So here 0 and 1 we can't pair. This is wrong. You can observe this. We have 1 and 1. So this is perfect pair. So we have to use 1 and 1. We can pair 1 and 1. We can't pair 0 and 1. Second step. Groups may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. You can observe this. You can't use any diagonal. You should use only horizontal and vertical. This is perfect. You can use horizontal or vertical. You should not use the diagonals. Clear? Next point, group must contain 1, 2, 4, 8 or in general 2 power n cells. You can use pair 2 variables and this is octal. You can pair this. So next rule is group must contain 1, 2, 4, 8 or in general 2 power n cells. So if you are using 2 power 2, so you get 4 cells. So this is 2 power 2 cells. So if you are using 2 power 3, you will get 8 cells. And if you are using 2 power 4, so you will get 16 cells. So you can use pair, you can pair like this, and this is octet. We have 8 ones. So you can make it as octet. And you can use 4 adjacent ones called quad, and you should not use 3 ones. This is wrong. This is correct. This is also perfect and this is also perfect. This is pair, this is octet and this is quad. You should not use 3 adjacent ones. And next rule, each group should be as large as possible. Try to cover all the ones, all the adjacent ones. You can use pair, octet and quad, but you should not use this 3 adjacent ones, and here directly you can use octet because we have 8 adjacent ones. Directly you can add octet. So you should not separate this. You should not separate. So you can use this method. You should not use this 3, 3, 2, 2. Directly you can octet this ones, 8 adjacent ones, and directly you can make one quad. So this is correct. This is wrong. Next method, groups may overlap. What is overlap? Here already one octet is there. This is octet 1, and over that I can do another octet. So this is called overlap. But here this is 3 adjacent ones. You can't do this. And this is 2, this is 2, and this is 3. So directly you can do overlapping method. So these are the rules we have to follow. So which is the first rule? First rule is no zeros allowed. So you can group only 1, 1, not 1, 0. And no diagonals. You can do only for vertical or horizontal. And group should be as large as possible. And overlapping also allowed in K-map. And fewest number of group as possible. These are the rules we have to follow for constructing the K-map. Next, how to construct the K-map? Construction of K-map. Each square represents min term or max term. It can be in the form of min term or in the form of max term. And a K-map for n variable is made up of 2 power n square. It should be in 2 power n square. 2 power 1 is equal to 2, 2 power 3 is equal to 8, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So like that we have to use this K-map variables. And what is pair, quad and octet and designation? Pair means when 2 ones are vertically or horizontally paired, then they are called as pair. Here we can pair these 2 ones. 2 ones are vertically or horizontally paired, then they are called as pair. So what is quad? Quad means a group of 4 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. Group of 4 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. This is called quad. And what is octet? A group of 8 ones. A group of 8 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. This is pair, quad and octet. Octet means group of 8 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. Quad means a group of 4 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. Pair means group of 2 ones. 2 ones vertically or horizontally adjacent. This is called pair, quad and octet. And what is this designation? In previous session, I have discussed about min term and max term, right? In min term and max term, I have explained what is designation. So designation means position of the cell. So first position of the cell is 0, 1 and 2 and 3. You should use this method 0, 1, 2 and 3. So next step, add 4 to this 0. Add 4 to this 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. And next skip this line. Go to the next line. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 6 plus 4, 10. Next, 8 plus 4, 12. 9 plus 4, 13. 11 plus 4, 15. 10 plus 4, 14. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This method only you should use in K-map. You have to follow this method. Otherwise, designation will change. And next, I will explain how to construct K-map for SOP form. In SOP form also we can construct, and POS form also we can construct the K-map. So what is SOP? SOP means sum of product. POS means product of sum. Here for SOP form we have to use sigma. POS form pi. So in question we have only three variables called A, B, C. And first you have to construct this table. Here we have only A and B, C. Three variables we are using here, A and B, C. So I will write A to the row side and BC to the column side. A bar A. In SOP form already I have explained, if your variable value is 0 then it's complemented, otherwise it's in normal form. So I will use this method. If your variable value is 0 then it's complemented, otherwise it's in normal form. So first I will consider 0 and 1. So 0 means it is A bar, 1 means it is A. This is for SOP method. So in column side I will use 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. If your variable value is 0 then it's complemented. 0 means complemented, 0 means complemented, 1 means it's in normal form. 1 means normal form, 1 means normal form, 1 is normal form, 0 means complemented form. Like that you should design the variables 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the ordering of variable, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, it's in reflected code, reflected binary code. So you should not use straight binary code called 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So you should not use this straight code. You should use only the reflected binary code. This is the order you should use in K-map. So here I have written 0, 1 and this is reflected binary code ordering. So what is this 1, 3, 6, 7? 1, 3, 6, 7 are in on condition. So in place of 1, 3, 6, 7 you have to put 1. This is sum of products, so I will use only 1. So what is the ordering of this? 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are in on condition 1, 3, 6, 7. In place of 1, 3, 6, 7 I will put 1 and remaining are 0. Is there any octet or quad? No octet and no quad. So in K-map first preference you should give to the octet and second preference quad, then pair. So first preference we should give to the octet and quad and then pair. So here there is no octet, there is no quad, we have only pair. I will pair this two once and again I will pair this two once. First I will simplify this pair 1 and pair 2. So what is pair 1? Check the common variable in pair 1 and pair 2, you will get the final expression. So in first pair we have only A bar in this row. There is no other variables. So A bar is common. So in column, which is a common variable, B bar C plus BC. We have C is a common variable. So A bar C is a common in pair 1 and pair 2. Pair 2. Which is a common factor in row? A is a common. And in column, which is a common factor? BC plus BC bar. B is a common factor. So we have only two pairs, pair 1 and pair 2. In pair 1 we got A bar C, in pair 2 we got AB. So final expression is Z equals A bar C plus AB. This is your expression. It's very simple. First you have to check the number of variables A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, anything. First you have to check the number of variables. It can be A, B, C, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, anything. So after that you have to order the variables. So you should use this order only 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 and 0, 1. So this is for 3 variable K-map. So next question is for 4 variables. We have 4 variables called A, B and C, D. So directly they have given the designation of M1, M2, M3 up to M15. So these are in on condition. Instead of giving sigma and numbers, they have given the designation. So first construct the table of AB and CD. Next write all the variable. Next write all the ordering of variable, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So here also you should use 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. And designation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the designation I have written. Next, in place of M1, put 1. M2, M3, M4, M5, M7, M9 and M11, M12, M13, M15. So, remaining are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Here, is there any octet? First you should give preference to octet, then quad, then pair. If you get any octet, you can eliminate 3 variables. So, octet, 3 variables you can eliminate. For quad, easily you can eliminate 2 variables. For pair, you can eliminate 1 variable. So, first we should give the preference to octet. Is there any octet? Yes, we have octet, adjacent ones. And next preference to quad. Is there any quad? Yes, we have 4 ones. Is there any other quads and octet? No. Next preference to pair. Here we have only single ones, so we have to cover this one also. So I will make this as pair. So is there any pair, octet or quad? No. So have covered all the ones. Now how to simplify, how to construct the expressions. So this is octet, this is quad and this is pair. So first I will write the expression for octet. In octet, first you have to check the columns and rows. In columns, which is a common factor, C bar D plus CD. Common factor is D. In rows, which is a common factor, we have A bar, A. So already I have explained in theorem what is A plus A bar is equal to 1. B plus B bar is equal to 1. So A bar plus A is equal to 1 and A bar plus A is equal to 1. And B bar plus B is equal to 1 and B plus B bar is equal to 1. So there is no common variable. So here for octet we have only one common variable, that is D. And next preference to quad. Quad is equal to, in rows which is a common factor, A bar plus A is equal to 1 and B plus B bar. So which is a common factor in quad? A bar plus A is equal to 1 and B is a common factor in quad. And in columns, C bar D bar plus C bar D. So which is a common factor here? So C bar is a common factor. So B C bar is a common factor in quad. And last one we have pair. So P is equal to, which is a common factor in row, that is A bar into B bar. A bar, B bar. And next we have to check the column. In column which is a common factor, CD and CD bar. C is a common. So finally, how to write the expression? So F is equal to D plus BC bar plus A bar, B bar, C is your expression. So this is a final expression. So next problem, simplify f of PQRS. We have 4 variables called PQRS is equal to sigma of these numbers. These numbers are in on condition. So we have to simplify this. Already I have written all the designation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. and the ordering of variable 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So in place of 0 put 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15. So is there any octet? No octet. Is there any quad? Yes, we have one quad. Next, is there any other octet or quad? Yes, we have one more quad. Here, this is corner ones. Corner adjacents, we have 4 ones. You can make one quad. If you are folding this, you will get 4 ones in corners. So you can make one quad. So here we have 2 quads. That is, this is quad 1 and these are quad 2. What is quad 1 expression? So in rows we have P bar P plus Q Q. So which is a common factor? Q is a common. And in columns R bar S plus RS. Common factor is yes. So we will get QS in first quad. In second quad we'll get P bar Q bar R bar S bar and P bar Q bar R and S bar. R and R bar will get 1. So common factor is S bar. Again P Q bar R bar S bar, P Q bar R and S bar. So here we'll get Q bar is a common factor. So Q bar and S bar. So final expression is F is equal to QS plus Q bar S bar is your final expression. So this is your 4 variable K map. So next problem is simplify f of a, b, c, d. Here also we have 4 variables and they have given the sum of product terms they have given. So these are in on condition. So in place of all these terms you have to put 1 and remaining are 0. This is the assignment question. Please practice this problem. And next problem is POS form. It's related to product of sum form. So how to simplify product of sum form? Here we have 3 variables called A, B, C and here they have given pi symbol. Why it is pi symbol? Product of sum means it should be in pi value and caps M and they have given 4 numbers called 0, 3, 6, 7. These are in on condition. So in place of 0, 3, 6, 7 put 0. In POS you have to put 0 in all blocks. So designation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 3, 6 and 7. Remaining are 1, 1. First preference you should give to octet, quad and pair. So here is there any quad or octet? No quad and no octet. Is there any pair? Yes, we have one pair 0 0 and here we have 1 0 and here we have one more 0. This is called identical. Single 0 I will make it as identical. So first pair 1, this is identical 1 and this is identical 2. How to simplify this? Pair 1. What is the expression for pair 1? So here we have A plus A bar in row. So A plus A bar means will 1. Next B bar plus C bar. We'll get B bar plus C bar is a common factor. And second one is identical first one. In I1 we have A bar is a common plus B bar plus C is a common. So I1 is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C. And I2. So common factor is A plus B plus C. A is a common in row and B plus is a common in column. So A plus B plus C. So what is the final expression? So F is equal to B bar plus C bar and A bar plus b bar plus c into a plus b plus c. This is product of sum. Product of some variable. This is called PUC method. Product of some form. So here you have to add the variables. You should not multiply. Here you should add all the variables. This is product of some variable. So next problem is exercise problem. So please practice these two problems using sum form and PUC form. So this is called K-map or Karnaugh map. With this, we have end of this chapter called Boolean Algebra. In my next session, I will come with a new chapter called Logic Gates. Thank you.